會好多謝各位嘅善長仁翁去到支持我哋愛心大行動，亦都好開心。我哋亦都有阿 Mona 去到繼續不遺餘力去到幫我哋去到籌款，喺當中代表基金會，代表所有嘅兒童同埋佢哋嘅屋企人獻上致意，多謝晒。
今日好高興啊！今日咧就愚人節喎，4月1號啊，我哋嚟到啊呢個兒童醫院呢度，因為我哋今次係講幫助籌到啊5300蚊，我嚟俾兒童醫院。雖然間呢個咁嘅疫情啊，但係仍然啦咁多熱心人士喺度幫手啊！
今日係4月1號，天氣好好啊！今日愚人節，本來咧就話落雨嘅，但係而家風和日麗喎，哇！櫻花又盛開，幾開心啊！咁我哋同兒童醫院籌款，今日就將支票交嚟呢度。
On behalf of BC Children's Hospital Foundation, just wanted to extend my gratitude and amazing thankfulness for all of us, all of you actually, in support of BC Children's Hospital Foundation. And of course, thank you to Mona for her tireless effort in fundraising for the children as well as the family who are staying here. Thank you so much.
今日咧好開心，就可以阿 Mona 整咗呢個凝聚力，咁我哋個個咧都捐錢俾兒童醫院。本來我哋有個素宴嘅，就即係當食下飯咁啦。咁但係咁啱 BC 省落單，但係我哋嘅善心係唔會減嘅，一樣善款一樣捐出去嘅。
咁我今日嚟到咧，就係好多謝阿 Mona 咧邀請啦嚇，咁亦都好多善心人啦，我亦都好多謝，特別阿 May 啊，同所有嘅朋友啊，小羅文啊，加上阿新聚劃嘅大財呢啲朋友啊，咁希望咧就係多啲做多啲善事啊！我哋為兒童醫院籌款，加油！
咁好多謝阿雷夢娜啦，又好多謝 Barry 啊，同我哋今日做個攝影大師啊，咁啊多謝咧所有嘅善長人翁，請大家唔好忘記，雖然間疫情厲害，但係仍然要幫助啲後生嘅，我哋一齊努力，兒童醫院我哋捐款俾你嘅。